Hi, my name is Stefanos, and I'm goalkeeping coach of IDA Valencia. So the thing I like the most about IDA is it feels like a family, both players and coaching staff. We have a really good relation between us, really good communication, and we do our best always to help the players achieve the best for them. And also we have the best facilities here, as you can see. We have all the equipment necessary in order to help the lads achieve the goals. So each player has its own mentor, and we always try to speak with the players about different mistakes or the good stuff they do, the bad stuff they do, show them everything. Me, specifically, I'm the goalkeeping coach of the academy, so I'm responsible for the goalkeepers. And always after the games, after training, during training, we always discuss all the weaknesses, all the strengths, to obviously to improve the weaknesses and to better the strengths that we have. The players should join the IDA program because of who we are. We always try our best, we train every day, and we help them get into Spanish teams and help them achieve the goals. We recently have many examples of players reaching high level, high division teams, and they succeed on that, so why not one of them?